You, as the enumerator, you are supposed to master your EA.
The National Census and Survey training has successfully ended in Cameroon today, Tuesday, April 28, 2026. And Fontaine Subdivision, the training has lasted for 28 days, designed to prepare enumerators, supervisors, and field officials for the oncoming national data collection exercise in the 3 fondoms that make up Fontaine Subdivision. The training exercise aimed to equip participants with the knowledge, skills, and tools required to ensure accurate, reliable, and timely collection of demographic and socio-economic data.
I am the controller for this national census for Fontaine Subdivision. This is the 4th national census, population housing census, and the national census for agriculture and livestock, which is an activity carried out throughout the nation. It is an exercise which has been programmed to know the total population of the country, both human count, livestock, and agriculture. So it's like a twinned activity between the Ministry of Livestock and Agriculture and those in charge with population and housing.
Maps and electronic cell phone-like devices will be given to participants who successfully pass the final exam to go into the field.
We know how it will impact the community, the advantages of this census activity. It is a tool which the government uses to program development. If they need to install a school in an area, it will come from the population size the government has realized or has recorded from that area. If they have to improve certain amenities in the area, it is this measure tool which the government uses to be able to identify the needs of the population.
I am one of the trained enumerators for the General Census of Population and Livestock. The training has really been interesting, has been very, very interesting, I must say, but coming to the level of the challenges, one of the major challenges I had was because of the duration of the training period. Most often we begin at 8 a.m. and then we close at about 5 p.m. So that time is kind of lengthy, especially the fact that we had so much to cover. The enumerator handbook, the application handbook that is going to help us to be able to understand what we do in the field was really enough material, but the time was short to be able to cover it all. But thanks to the extra efforts that we put in and that our controller equally put in, we were able to understand, and I can say I now master a whole lot about the application handbook and every other thing that will be required to do in the field.
We started this training and today is the last day, the 28th day of the training. So we are impacted. In few days ahead, we have to go to the field to put all what we have gathered into practice.
Out of about 42 candidates who participated in the training, only 19 has been selected who will be deployed into different villages. Gaza Media in Menji, the BLM Divisional Headquarters.